Hey guys, as always, Mr. ATC. This time in 2019 for another idea of housing. Oh my, what a year! A lot of things happened and we've been able to share so many ideas for our homes. So today I would like to give you all our best wishes on behalf of the entire ATC community and family. And as you all know, home is the place where we should all enjoy being in. And now 2018 is well behind us. And as you may have seen, we've been able to deliver on each of the points I told you about last year. The first focus for this year will be on sharing even more recycled ideas for you, so you can have more projects and 3D plans to make them yourself. And remember, we are an active community, so if you have some good ideas to share with us, feel free to post them in the appropriate section in the ATC app. And the second focus will be on synergizing to create some nice collaboration between our sponsors and the active members in our community. And as you may have seen in some of the videos, I've been approached by brands to present their products, devices, and even making some very nice reviews. To be honest with you, this is not an easy task, but the fact that the brands believe in what our community is doing gave me all the motivation I needed to make these presentations a success and a win-win situation for everyone. So as I was telling you, this year, all the most active members in our community will have the chance to be contacted by the brands we are working with and much more coming. Stay posted on this one. I will be giving you more details on this new program pretty soon. So let me wish you again Happy New Year 2019 for all of you following us and supporting us on this DIY adventure. I really wish that this year brings a lot of satisfaction in your life. And remember, one of the best ways to achieve this is to take proper actions. And most importantly, to do it yourself. So thanks and keep on sharing with our DIY community. And on my side, I will see you soon. Bye!